Hey there, I will briefly explain you the sort function of a STL library. Basically, sort takes just three parameters, which is a beginning address. It takes second parameter as a end address, and it has a third parameter. It's a comparator function, which is optional. So that's why I put it here. I put here a start mark. So let's start with the this function sort array. So array comma array plus it requires a end address, so array plus size will give the end address of a array here, and size okay, size array. I have included yes, I have included algorithm. I will try to print the array. I have defined here a function print array. It takes array and its size. It is printing print array. It requires array and size. I will just run it. Yes, so here you can see. Similarly, we can do that for vectors also. Vector dot it requires a beginning address, so vector dot begin comma vector dot end print vector is just required. Now we will start with the comparator function. Now I will give you a brief idea of a comparator function. Sort takes parameter as a template which we can input greater, less than, equal, or equal to, which are the predefined templates in the STL. I am using the greater template over here. So it is a template we should give type which we are using. If it's a we are using greater, then uh, x is greater than y, then it will output as a greater. So see, you can see here in the output descending order is shown, and if I am using less, so ascending order. Less equal template is also there. Now uh, we will create a user defined template which will compare and sort them according to the vector requirement. uh, and now the vector is of type int, so I am taking directly int as a two parameters. Sorting requires two parameters comparison, and it must return a bool function. Sorry, it must return a bool. Yes. If I1 is less than I2, then it will sort the array in the sorry, vector in the ascending order. If I make it I1 greater than I2, it is sorting in the descending order. We may have a question, what is the use of user defined function? Now see, if I'm taking I1 is greater than 5 and I2 greater than 5, then sort it in a descending order, and else sort it in a ascending order. So I1 is less than I2. Okay, if that's correct, I will show you. See, 1 5 is ascending, and after that everything is in descending order. The here we can use our predefined user defined functions. Function of a STL uses O of log and time complexity, and again it uses quick sort, so that's why it has a space complexity of O of log n as well. Instead, we can use a stable sort. It again takes same parameter as a sort, that is vector or begin vector dot and means starting address, ending address, and just I will remove the user defined function. It also has a o of n log n time complexity, and it uses a merge sort. So it is having space complexity is more than the quick sort. So and base why we are using this, because it's a stable sort. Merge sort is stable and quick sort is unstable. It has O of n space complexity. If the whereas for the quick sort we have O of log n space complexity, because merge sort creates multiple arrays, so it has a space complexity more than the quick sort. Uh, in the upcoming video, I will give a description of binary search, which is also in the STL. Thank you.